Yeah. Let's fix that this weekend. Told you we were gonna fix that leak. Today's the day. All right. There's a fairly questionable ladder. Let's use that one. And the end of our ladder is probably gonna try to destroy the paint. Looks a little vicious. Looks slightly vicious. I don't know, what do you think? Black Gorilla Tape? You think that's gonna save our paint? Let's try it. It feels kind of comfy. I think it'll be all right. All right, let's go check it out. I just jumped right on the ladder without even testing the structural integrity of it. Oh yeah, it seems fine. Let's go. Okay, that step feels weird. That one's loose. All right. There's our culprit. See how the shingles don't hang over? Another spot there. Let's try to make some flashing. It's gonna go under this shingle. Oh wow. Okay, it's gonna go under this shingle and then down over the edge of this gutter. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and move the ladder that direction and we'll start in the bad spot and we'll just work our way over. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna try to stop the water from landing on my head. All right, I'm back and I think I got all the supplies I need. I've got coffee. We've got some flashing, which we're gonna have to modify that, but and I got these. So I'm gonna start here. It's already a little flashing right there. We'll go under that. Let's open this up. I'm gonna have to see what kind of nails I have because I don't even know what kind of nails I have in the garage. Might not even have nails. Might have to use screws. But I'm not really trying to do this the right way. I don't even know what the right way is. I mean, I guess to get like a, I don't know, like a gutter flashing or a gutter. I know there's drip edge molding and stuff like that. I don't know. I'm just trying to over flash the gutter. I don't know. Really don't have any idea. Okay. So do this in sections. This is our first section. I'm going to cut it narrow also. It's not going to obviously be this wide. So this piece I have will go farther than like the 2 foot I have here. Here, hold this. Stupid stickers do not come off. And it's like a fucking waste of the. I'm not even gonna deal with that part. I'm just gonna cut it off. So I don't feel like dealing with pulling the damn stickers off right now. Why would you not put? Fuck, it's copper. Like, why would you not put stickers on there that are easier to remove? Stupid. Maybe one day I'll do a video on all the different types of tin snips that are out there. right hand, left hand, straight, you know, there's like all different blades. All right, let's see. Okay, now we got this guy. So I'll peel the backing off. We'll stick it in place, and then I'll go look for screws once I get the whole line done. Go ahead and peel the backing off to unveil the sticky. I don't know, are you supposed to do that? Are you supposed to peel the backing off of this, or are you supposed to not? Let me read the instructions. Remove insulation sheet. No, do not remove. But I ripped off the do not. So we're not going to remove that, because it's not stickiness under there. It's only sticky because it's trying to stick itself together and I'm trying to rip it apart. So anyway, here it is. Sucks because these brackets are in there. I really should take the bracket out. Man, I don't want to do that. Like, I really need to take the bracket off. So I will take the bracket off. Okay. I have decided against being exceptionally ghetto about this whole process. And I'm not going to put a whole bunch of tiny little short pieces on there. I am going to take the screws out of the brackets one by one. And we're going to put the flashing underneath the shingles. We're going to put it down over the gutter. We're going to figure out how to seal all that later. But I'm going to measure the length of this gutter. I'm just going to cut a fucking piece of flashing, bend it, bring it up here, fight with the wind, and put it on the right way. Instead of being a lazy little fucking bitch. Okay, we got about 14 feet. That'll work. Let's add some more tracking devices to your collar. Yeah, this one, put it on the big collar. Okay. Is it on? It is on. Okay, now I can see where you go sniffing when I'm not looking. Okay, we got our floppy little piece of flashing cut. Got our finger cut by the flashing. And I didn't waste my time this time and use the tin snips, because that was kind of stupid and a waste of time. So I just sliced it with a knife, you know, nice and easy and quick. I don't know. I have another tape measure now, so now there's two. So that's nice. All right, let's get this thing under the shingle. All right, we'll go ahead and take the bracket off. Okay, the support is loosened. So just pop it out, I guess. And we'll put it over the flashing. Without cutting ourselves again, we'll go under the shingle. Okay, so removing the gutter support made absolutely no sense whatsoever. So now I'm going to put it back in. These shingles are fucked. This last course is in rough shape. Come on, you little bitch, get in there. Alright. Flashing is looking very flashing. So now down here, I guess I'm just gonna cut it. I guess I'm just gonna cut it around that bracket. So I think I'm just gonna slice it right here. And just go around the bracket. I don't know, kind of like that? Like, think so or no? Is that weird? I'll put some screws in it and see how that makes me feel. And then right here, shingles are all cracked. And you can pretty much see the wood underneath of the, you can see the wood for the roof of the porch. So I'm going to take another piece of flashing and I'm going to stick it up in there as far as it'll go. I'm going to bend it down. I'm going to put screws in it and screw it to the other piece of flashing that's under it. That goes up to about here because the crack is all down in here, so keep that water out of there. These are also absolutely not the right screws to be using, but everything I've got here is just what I found in the garage. So I'm using stainless machine screws, I think they're called, and they have a flat surface on the back. I'm using them because who really wants to go to the hardware store in East Hampton on Memorial Day weekend? Not me. Okay, fun little update. I feel raindrops. That's exciting. You know what that means? It means I'm going to get rained on. It also means we might get to see if this worked. But it mainly means I'm going to get rained on. Alright, stop distracting me. I got to get this done. Stop breaking. Come on, fucker. Thank you. It's going to rain on you too. You're out here with me. Another little precision slice right here. Another screw. Who's that monster? Do you know them? Seems to be an obstruction around there. It's unfortunate. Let's move over. Okay, what the fuck kind of shit is going on here? Do not piss me off, please. Oh, the damn, you jackass. The bracket is there, you fuck. I'm over here fucking blasting holes through it. And the damn bracket's right there. It's just stupid. Like, oh yeah, that looks good. Good job. Real fucking professional job there, buddy. Okay, that works a little bit better. Oh, cool. I'm bleeding over there now. All right. So now we move down. Making some progress. Such a good little brown dog. Okay, so now there's more raindrops on my head. More consistent, which made me rush again, and I don't move quick. I'm pretty much the human version of a sloth. And I tried to put a screw into another bracket. So now there's another unnecessary hole. So don't rush when you do shit, especially for me. Just slow the fuck down. Just a little rain. It's not like I even need to speed up, you know? It's like, oh shit, it's raining, gotta move fast. No, you don't. Just shut the fuck up and chill, bitch. Chill the fuck out. Now, is there a bracket there? No, there is not. You may install the screw. One or two. Ooh, one more precision cut. Nice. It's a really nice blade. Ooh. It's got that gold edge. It does actually last longer than those cheap ones. And plus, you know, you take care of your shit and it lasts longer anyway, so there's that too. Go right here. Not right there. How about here? Yeah, right there. All right. Yeah, do a little trimming. Okay, you ready to see this beautiful finished product? Leaves. We'll just grab those out of there. All right, anyway. Here's a beautiful flashing job. So now we'll see if we still have, we're not gonna have water issues anymore. It's gonna go in the gutter where it belongs. Everything's gonna be great because we fixed it. You guys did a great job. All right, so we'll just go ahead and put this back next to this old clam rake. You know, honestly, should probably just make a nice handle for this thing. She's still pretty solid. All right, Monster, we gotta go get the tire from the tire shop, which means we have to go make our way through all the Memorial Day people. You ready for an adventure, Monster? Let's go. You sexy unit. Look at you. Oh, she just can't wait to be four-wheel drive converted, can she? No, she can't wait. Soon, honey. Soon. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. I'll be right back.